A man has been arrested on suspicion of the murder of Kerry farmer Michael Gaine. The man, who's aged in his 50s, was arrested yesterday afternoon, and that arrest came following the discovery of human remains in slurry spread across Mr Gaine's farm just outside Kenmare. The extraordinary thing is that they had done a comprehensive search of the farmyard and the farm premises, had they not, in the course of the missing persons investigation.
Yeah, they did. There were teams of Gardaí, and there was local contractors assisting in their work in emptying slurry tanks and carrying out searches, painstaking searches of the area. But the breakthrough didn't come until Friday evening, when Gardaí announced that a member of the public had notified them of finding something suspect on the farmland. It looked as though two of the fields next to Mike Gaine's farm, a slurry had been spread, and there were 6 or 7 yellow evidence markers spread out across the two fields. Later on that day, Gardaí, walking in a line, did a line search of both those two fields. And from then, the pathologist got involved, and further examinations yesterday as well. So there was a huge amount of activity, huge amount of vehicles, huge numbers of Gardaí and Technical Bureau people who were, again, concentrating their search in and around the farmyard of Mike Gaine. Shortly after that, a local undertaker, Finnegan's Funeral Home, a hearse came onto the land at Carrigeast, just outside Kenmare, where Mike Gaine's farm is, proceeded down with a coffin in the back to the farm shed. The parish priest, Father George Hayes, followed on in the car afterwards. A short ceremony, short few prayers were said inside in the farm shed, and a number of Mike Gaine's friends who were assisting, driving machinery and other things under the direction of investigators yesterday, carried the coffin from the farm shed and put it into the hearse. And at that stage then, Pat, members of Mike Gaine's immediate family had arrived on the scene, and quite a number of his friends as well, and they lined the road as the hearse made its way up from the farm. It was a very tough moment for everyone involved.
Now, an arrest was made
yesterday evening. The Gardaí released a statement saying that a man in his 50s had been arrested in Killarney, detained under suspicion of murder, and can be questioned for 24 hours.